Hello and welcome to this course on ECU Tuning Level 1 offered by RainLab and TechMaggie. So this course is going to be teaching you about petrol engine fundamentals. So everything that you need to know about petrol engine fundamentals and how do you start tuning using this. Now to take you through this course, I am Sajit and let me just take a couple of seconds and quickly introduce myself. I am an automotive professional with 20 years of experience, professional work experience, and I am the founder and CEO for RainLab Technologies and Sirius Motorsports. I am also the franchisee partner for Code 6 Chennai, and apart from this, I also work with three other organizations. So the first one in the OEM sector in the automotive industry, I work with this company called Detroit Engineered Products, which is headquartered out of USA, where I am the vertical head and I head the embedded practice for electric powertrains and autonomous ADAS accounts. So in my role as the vertical head at DEP, we work with companies like Aptiv, which make these ECUs actual ECUs. We also work with the customers for these companies like Ford, Stellantis, Dodge, etc. We also work quite a lot with the electric vehicle companies such as Tesla Motors and Livewire. So Livewire is the electric vehicle division for Harley Davidson. Now, the other organization I work with is on the academic side. I work with BITS Pilani as an adjunct professor, where I teach courses on engines, controls, ADAS, mechatronics, systems engineering, etc. The third one, I work in the startup sector. I'm a technical advisor at an incubator called AICCIIC, which is a incubator for clean tech and smart mobility. So that's about me. Now, before we move further, let me just ask you this question. What exactly do you mean by tuning? Now, quite a lot of you want to get into ECU tuning for a lot of different reasons. Some of it could be motorsports, and some of it could be to start your own business or something like that. But whichever way you look at it, right? So, the process that we understand as tuning, we kind of ascertain it to sports cars, to racing vehicles, and to something on that side, right? We just think of it in terms of performance alone. But what if I were to tell you that tuning is not just that? Tuning is going to be a lot more of things than that. Tuning helps you understand engines and auxiliary systems. Of course, we leverage this understanding to extract more power and torque. So that is what we typically deal with as ECU tuning. That is the primary objective of this course. But using the information that you have got from this course, you would also be able to do some diagnostics. So diagnostics is to understand when things go wrong with the vehicle and to figure out how you can fix it. So that is diagnostics. That is one more extra outcome that you would probably get from this course. You can also use this course to understand how to add new components to your vehicle. You could think of adding some intake, exhaust, or a turbocharger, for example. So those are the modifications, right? What we call as modifications. And finally, using this innate understanding that you have on these systems, you would also be able to go and develop new systems altogether. So that would be what we call as R&D, the automotive R&D, which we speak about. Now, this level 1 course which we have over here, this would cover the following modules. You would go over the fundamentals of IC engines, which means it doesn't really matter which branch of engineering you are in, which year you are in. Doesn't even matter if you are in engineering or diploma or if you are just in 10th standard, right? So all you need to do is have an understanding of what a car is, right? If you have an interest in understanding what a car is, if you can drive a car, or you don't know any of those things but you are still interested, you can do this course, because we're going to start with the fundamentals. We're going to teach you what the IC engine is. Then we're going to teach you the concept of tuning, right? We're not just going to say that, okay, hey, this is what tuning is, this is how you take an ECU. No, we're not doing that. We're going to take you through the concepts of tuning. We're going to help you understand how exactly this is going to go do, right? You're going to like learn various tools and stuff like that. And finally, you'll be able to perform a hands-on tuning with a patent pending system, which is the virtual dyno. Now, as a part of this course, we also offer a one-day hands-on workshop at the RainLab offices in Chennai. And this course would also help you get a STEM accredited certificate. So with this, I hope you are all set to come in and join us in the course. and hope to see you soon. Happy tuning.